Today, we celebrate the International Museum Day 2022 with the formal launch of Leeroy News Mebuyan Colony through a community harvest and the selection of readings from the book Harvest Moon. It fits the additional concept which Leeroy and environmental scientist Jose Felix developed. Through time, the floral and vegetal components of the installation and will enhance the organic elements of the project, thus making it a living art installation. On behalf of Leeroy, who could not be here with us today, he's currently in Melbourne for another project. We are grateful to Jose Felix and Dexter Di Fonturum for inviting our sponsors for this project, Ramgo International, Farm Ready, and Oak Crop, who have generously shared the sampling of their crops, planted on-site, and some are ready to harvest today.
So, this collaboration with Leeroy New for Mebuyan's Colony invites a lot of players in the agricultural industry, from seedling nurseries to seed companies and distributors. We want to showcase how they play out, how they play in the agriculture industry and play into our lives for food security.
Everything has to come together. Our crisis in this nation is the same crisis that our environment and our climate faces. It's a crisis of democracy, where a few take up the entirety of the resources, leaving the impacts and vulnerability to the ones who have least contributed to the problem. So we're very happy to be here to share Harvest Moon, the book, to share Agam Agenda and our message that humanities must be integrated in science and policymaking, as science and policymaking needs to guide and inform the arts as well. If we do that well, with patience, with love, with grit and with anger, certainly with courage, then I have no doubt that we would have justified our tiny blip in the universe.
In so many different ways, the installation of Leeroy New for Mebuyan's Colony, draws inspiration, right, from science fiction, from local cosmology, right, and it's also a transdisciplinary and a multidisciplinary initiative as well. And Harvest Moon, Poems and Stories from the Edge of the Climate Crisis as an anthology also aims to honor those pluralities, honor those different ways that we can really think about climate change, not just in terms of the initial or given ways that we normally think about the environment, but really provoke new questions and be able to ask and reckon with it in a way that we're not really used to.
Tuwing may ipanganganak dito, nagtatanim tayo ng mga palo de coco. Sa kumpas ng tambol ng tum at ng plautang chirimiya, nananaig ang lupa at lumalawak ang kanyang pagyakap sa isang mapusok na paglalakbay na nag-iiwan ng mga anino ng polen, at dumarating itong nakangiti sa pagipagitan ng laman habang inilalapit ng pagkatunaw ng mga glasyar ang dagat at binabaha ng tubig alat ang lahat ng taniman ng niyog, upang sa wakas ay itanong sa atin, kapag taglay na ba ng hiwaga at hinahon ang banal na pahingalay, ay paano na ang ating mga nayon